Today we are going to talk about constraints as part of database management system course. In the context of database design, constraints are rules that are used to limit the values that can be stored in a database. Constraints are used to ensure the integrity and correctness of the data in a database. There are several types of constraints that can be applied to a database. Not null constraint. This constraint specifies that a particular column in a database table cannot be left empty or null. Unique constraint. This constraint specifies that the values in a particular column must be unique across all rows in a table. Primary key constraint. This constraint specifies a column or set of columns that uniquely identifies each row in a table. The primary key values must be unique and not null. Foreign key constraint. This constraint specifies a column or set of columns that refers to the primary key of another table. It is used to establish a relationship between two tables. Check constraint. This constraint specifies a condition that must be met by the values in a particular column. If the condition is not met, the insert or update operation is rejected. By using these constraints, it is possible to ensure the integrity and correctness of the data in a database and to prevent errors or inconsistencies from occurring. Constraints are an important part of the database design process and are used to ensure the quality and reliability of the data. Thank you for watching.